Welcome back to my channel. I feel like I always say which I need to stop. This is such like a random way to begin my video, but guess who's going to Mexico this year? Me. I'm going to Mexico. I know a lot of girls were asking me if I was gonna go, pero yo no sabía si iba a ir. So I'm going. I'm leaving today actually. I just got out the shower, but I'm letting like my hair kind of dry. That's why it's like in a towel. And I want to film the intro before I leave because then I'd be forgetting and then I don't film it and then I'd be messed up. But I am going to Mexico. I am leaving today, as I said. So there will be Mexico vlogs. I don't know what's gonna happen this year. I'm so scared. Like I just pray to God that everything works out this year and that we just get there safe and sound. We're waiting on my cuñado to get home from work so we can go ahead and go. But like I'm really happy to go. Like I really am, but I'm scared because of everything that's going on. But you know, God has our back. We just need to be safe. I got my nails done today by one of my sister's friend named Joanna. She's barely like starting. So I will leave her link down below if you guys are trying to get your nails done. She charges as of right now for all first clients $25 for the set, and look how long they look. And somewhere else I would have got these for like 50, 60. So I will leave her link down below. Go, you know, East Point area, go hit her up. But I am gonna do Mexico vlogs, as I said, so we'll see where this vlog ends up. Like right now I'm in Georgia. Probably the next clip I'll be in Texas, so let me just see. I just got out the shower. Espero que disfruten este video. I have my shoes, my bag, my snacks, and my little pillow thingy that I put on my neck because my neck be hurting through that whole ride. My neck do be hurting. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's probably this will probably be the first video of my Mexico vlogs because you guys have been asking, am I gonna go to Mexico? And I am going. So this will probably be the first vlog of it on my way there. Sorry, I'm like, again, I'm sorry for this, but you know, I'm letting my hair dry before I forget to record the intro. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys like it, and I love you guys so much. This is like probably my most requested videos of the year, so stay tuned. Let's see where I end up. Let's get on with Mexico vlogs 2020 Mexico vlogs 2020. Bye guys. Ooh, it's cold. We're about to leave. We were supposed to leave like we were supposed to leave like an hour or two ago, but now we're leaving right now. So I have to get my things. It's for my neck because my neck be hurting on the way, so I got it for my neck. Let's go, you guys. Going to Mexico. She doesn't know how to act. I don't know why my phone looks like that, but we are in Texas. We are near Houston. I can't speak. We are near Houston, and it's currently about to be 4 o'clock in the morning.
It's 5.
No, it's an hour behind.
It's 5.
It's an hour behind. The thing is wrong. So we are about to get to Houston, and I don't really think we're stopping at a hotel because we usually stop at a hotel when we get to Texas, but I don't really think this time it's gonna happen. But I really haven't really recorded like on the way, just because I just really just been chilling, listening to music or sleeping. So I am tired. I'm tired, but then I'm not tired, you know. But I'm gonna keep you guys updated. We stopped at a gas station right now. They went to get off to go use the restroom, and yeah. Period. You guys know this gasoline if you guys travel to Mexico. This is where everybody stops at. But the mirror is pretty dirty, and my nails look bum as fuck. You know, like, look at my nose. Look at the gas thing. My mom is stretching because she's tired. There goes my nephew. There goes my other nephew. And we just chilling, you know? You know the vibe? Oh my god, yes. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's like literally so packed in the gas station. Like there is so many people going. It's, oh my god, I'm so sorry about the windows. You know, that's just so messy. But there's so many people and it's 4 in the morning. Like, what are they doing? There's so many people traveling. It's kind of scary, but you know. Look at my dad. Where my dad at? Y'all been wanting to see my dad. Hold on, let's see if I can get him on camera. Oh, here he goes, right here. That's my dad right there. And that's my mom. That's my sister. They don't know I'm recording right now.
This fire. I can't hold back. I can't hold back.
It's just so
Ya poco ya son las 10.
It's hot. Slow it down. Damn.
Pero lleva como, es como el cuarto lugar de campeonato.
Pero
Primer lugar es el América, con la corrupción. Segundo lugar es las Chivas, porque cuando las Chivas la contaron bien muchos campeonatos cuando eran bien buenos. Tercer lugar se me hace que es el Toluca. Cuarto lugar se me hace que es Cruz Azul. Quinto se me hace que es...
vlogging? Eh? Why don't you vlog the dogs, right?
They're still doing that for almost like 2 months now. I wanted some. Okay.
You never know they have drugs, but I don't think they have drugs.
But how will that little kid have like?
Oh yeah, they probably don't work because they don't do it. But I don't think they have drugs because like a lot of people buy it. I mean, a lot of people buy drugs. I think that the kids, when they give them money, they steal it from them.
Dale.
I think. Ojalá y no. That's bad. That's so mean.
Nos están parando ellos comiendo ahí.
No grabes, Lluvia, te van a meter tu teléfono. Te lo fallo. Au, au. Oh, me quemé bien en la cabeza.
Be out, boy. Peace.
Gira por Boulevard Luis Donaldo Colosio.
There you go.
Manita. ¿Cómo está? Ya llegamos. ¿Ya llegaron? Ya. Ay, gracias a Dios que no se levante, manita, ya mañana nos vemos, ¿eh? Que descansen. I thought you were not coming.